Hey, what's going on? Roy here, Roy and Joe's Project Car Garage. I'm over at Neil's Rod and Customs, where they're working on our '67 Chevelle. Coming along. A lot of things has changed from when it first got here. The body is so much straighter now. It's unbelievable what they were able to uncover. But let me flip this around and give you another look. So here she is. Looks like they got her up on jack stands. And just to give you an idea of the attention to detail, they're even guide coating and blocking the whole lower part of the car, which definitely did not happen last time, because everything was, well, everything was wavy before, but it definitely is not this time. It's looking really good. Gaps are nice. Repaired that lower rocker. Doing some more work on this lower side of the car. Repaired that area where the antenna used to be. You could see it plain as day when the car was blue. We've got a really good color match to everything that's under the hood, the inner wheel wells and everything, and the core support and stuff. We tried to do a match to the interior, and it was too far off to everything under the hood. So what we're gonna end up doing is repainting the whole interior of the car. Not that there's that much, but the tops of the doors and the dash, I brought the dash over so they can get that. And so there'll be, a lot of this stuff was really dry anyway, and redoing the jams and everything. So like I said, the scratch and shoot that we'd kind of thought was gonna be the fix early on definitely escalated from from what we were originally hoping. But anyway, it's going to be a lot nicer now, and I think we're going to be a lot happier with it. Here's a car that they painted a long time ago. Also put in the motor. I believe it's a fuel injected 302, air conditioning, and the 5-speed. Really good looking car, beautiful color. So can't wait to see here maybe in the next month or so in this car with color on it. Getting pretty excited. This gives you an idea how far off the color match is between the inside of the car and under the hood. And then this is Neil just refitting the SS emblem to get it straight.